Now children, today let's start with chapter number 13, that is during the 18th century. So let's study about the later Mughal. Now in 18th century, we witness a major political change in Indian subcontinent. आपको क्या देखने को मिलता है? Major political change देखने को मिलता है, right? And it show rapid decline. हम क्या देख रहे थे कि रैपिड डिक्लाइन हो रहा था मुगल एम्पायर का, और जो सेमी इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट्स हैं उनकी ग्रोथ हो रही थी, रीजनल कल्चर्स की, ब्रिटिश एम्पायर का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हो रहा था इंडिया में, एंड मुगल आर्मी हैड बिगिन ड्यूरिंग द डिजाइन ऑफ औरंगजेब. धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहा था? मुगल एम्पायर का डिक्लाइन हो रहा था, राइट. सो व्हाट, निजामुल मुल्क, a powerful noble of the court, eliminated Sayyid brothers. He took charge as wazir of the Mughal court, but soon he left. What happened? Soon he left the court and declared himself independent and set up his Nizamat in Hyderabad, right? Then after that comes later Mughals and the Mughal rulers who occupied the throne after Aurangzeb. जिन लोगों ने थ्रोन ली आफ्टर औरंगजेब, तो वो आपके क्या थे? लेटर मुगल्स. ये बहुत ज़्यादा वीक रूलर्स थे अंडर whom nobles exercised real power and there was competitions. ठीक है, competitions में थे among different nobles which were divided into two major groups, that was Iranis and तुरानीस. तुरानीस आपके तुर्किश थे, राइट. इनको हमने दो ग्रुप में डिवाइड करा हुआ है. सो वी कैन से जो एक्सटर्नल बाउंड्री है मुगल एम्पायर की, आपके यहाँ पे शो हो रही. सो दैट डिसीजन लाइक पपेट. द वर्स्ट फेस वाज द थिंग दैट नोबल एसिनेटेड टू मुगल एम्पर. नोबल्स ने क्या करा कि दो मुगल एम्पर को एसिनेटेड करा, दैट इज फरुखसियार और आलमगीर फर्स्ट, ठीक है, एंड blinded two other Ahmad Shah and Shah Alam II. So Emperor Aurangzeb has depleted military financial resource of this empire by fighting in the long war in the Deccan. So we can say because of this interference, noble efficiency of the imperial administration broke down, और ये बहुत difficult हुआ for the later Mughal emperor to keep check on their powerful मनसबदार. बहुत मुश्किल हुआ कि वो चेक नहीं रख पाए अपने पावरफुल मनसबदार. At the higher level, Subedar, Governor, Mansabdar at the lower level. Zamindars, they become powerful. Why? Because they control what? Revenue and military at their respective level. Right? So we can say, फिर invasion होता है नादिर शाह और अहमद शाह अब्दाली का. तो जो रूलर ऑफ पर्शिया है, मतलब ईरान, नादिर शाह अटैक दिल्ली इन 1739. Invasion of नादिर शाह in 1739 और अहमद शाह अब्दाली in 1761 shook the Mughal Empire. And later, tottering empire was on the verge of collapse. Nadir Shah took away the famous Kohinoor diamond and the peacock throne of Shahjahan. Emergence of new state. As authority Mughal emperor weakened, the governor of large province and the great zamindar become independent. Right? So what happened? These can be divided broadly into three types. कौन-कौन से आपके states like आपका हैदराबाद, अवध and Bengal. ये old Mughal province है. They were independent but they keep formal ties with मुगल एम्पर. लेकिन उन्होंने क्या करा? फॉर्मल टाइज रखे मुगल एम्पर के साथ. नाउ वतन जागीर्स ऑफ राजपूत लाइक अंबर, जोधपुर, दे आर कंसिडरेबल इंडिपेंडेंट अंडर द मुगल. देन स्टेट्स अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ सिक्स, मराठा, जाट, enjoyed completely independent of the Mughal. So the old Mughal provinces, we have some old Mughal provinces. So large regional states of Awadh, Bengal and Hyderabad, they were founded by the member of five Mughal nobility. Right? So they were keeping governor of these large province in trust and confidence of the emperor. This is Sahadat Khan, Murshid Quli Khan और असफ जहां. हैदराबाद की बात करते हैं, जो आपका चिंगिस खान है, राइट. असफ जहां हैज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल मेंबर एट द कोर्ट ऑफ मुगल एम्पर फरुखसियार. He was entrusted first with the governmentship of Awadh and afterward he later given charge of Deccan in 1722 by Mughal emperor मोहम्मद शाह. किसने दिया? मोहम्मद शाह ने दिया. So he has been given the title of Nizamul Mulk, taking advantage of turmoil in the Deccan, competition amongst the court nobility in Delhi. So what happened? He founded Asaf Jahan dynasty and his successor was Nizam of Hyderabad. Asaf Jahan ruled quite independently without seeking any direction from Delhi or facing any intervention. और किसी भी तरीके का कोई इंटरफेरेंस इन्होंने फेस नहीं करा था, right? So Asaf Jahan brought skilled soldiers and administration from North India and he appointed Mansabdar. उसने मनसबदार को अपॉइंट कर क्या ग्रांट करी? जागीरदारी. Then we have Awadh. So Awadh was the most important state that emerged after breakup of Mughal Empire. सबसे एक important state थी. इसमें आपके लखनऊ, कानपुर, बनारस, इलाहाबाद और कुछ नियर बाय एरियाज है. In 1722, Sadat Khan, Mughal ruler, was made governor of Awadh. He was also responsible. ये responsible था काहे के लिए for managing political, financial, military affairs of Awadh. In 79, Sadat Khan helped Mughal emperor to fight against Nadir Ali. ठीक है, नादिर अली के, और सदत खान सक्सीड हुआ by his son-in-law सफदरजंग in 1739. फिर आपका बंगाल आता है. मुर्शिद कुली खान अपॉइंटेड नायब डिप्टी ऑफ द गवर्नर ऑफ द प्रोविंसेस बाय फर्रुखसियार, एंड ही कमेंडेड रेवेन्यू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड रिड्यूस मुगल इन्फ्लुएंस इन बंगाल. जो मुगल का इन्फ्लुएंस था ना बंगाल में, उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा कम कर दिया. राइट. उड़ीसा ऑर्डर रेसमेंट एंड रेवेन्यू वॉज कलेक्टेड इन कैश. और यहाँ पे ग्रेट स्ट्रिक्टनेस भी थी किसके साथ? जमींदार्स के साथ. मुर्शिद कुली खान ने क्या करा? अपनी कैपिटल को शिफ्ट करा. कहाँ? मुर्शिदाबाद. एंड हुई सक्सीडेड बाय स्वाजू दीन खान एंड अलीवर्दी खान. The Watan Jagri of the Rajputs. So Rajput king of Amber, Jodhpur and other has served the Mughal with loyalty. Therefore, the emperor had allowed the considerable independence in ruling over the Watan Jagri. So we can say that Savai Raja Jai Singh of Amber, right, one was the governor of Malwa. Ranjit Singh was the governor of Gujarat, and Emperor Jahandar Shah, he was renewed this office, and Savai Raja Jai Singh was given Subedari of Agra in 1722. Jodhpur state conquered and voted that it annexed Nagaur, Amber state seized portion of Bundi. Savai Raja Jai Singh was founded his new capital. सवाई राजा ने अपनी नई कैपिटल फाइंड करी जिसका नाम था आपका जयपुर. व्हाट वाज इट्स नेम? जयपुर. नेक्स्ट इज सीजिंग इंडिपेंडेंस बाय आर्म्ड स्ट्रगल. सबसे पहले हम सिख की बात करते हैं. सो द सिख्स वर नॉट सक्सेसफुल इन एस्टैब्लिशिंग अ सेपरेट स्टेट फॉर themselves. This are despite the formation of Khalsa by Guru Gobind Singh in 17th century. So his long run, Guru Gobind Singh fought several battles against Rajput and Mughal ruler. And what happened after his death? The Sikhs, they organized themselves under the leadership of capable leader, that is Banda Bahadur, and they declared their independent rule by striking coins in the name of Guru Nanak. So we can say that battle, but Mughal defeated them decisively, and बंदा बहादुर ने क्या करा? कैप्चर्ड कर लिया उनको 1750 में, and he was executed. फिर 1760 में उनको execute भी कर दिया. Political situation in Punjab become favorable, taking advantage of subsequent conflict Afghans and followers of Naldeja. सिख ने क्या करा? अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज करा, and their combined forces were known as Grand Army. और जो entire body थी, it is used to meet at Amritsar at the time of Baisakhi and Diwali. A system called Rakhi introduced offering protection for cultivators. Soon what happened? The governor Ahmad Shah Abdali from Sirhind and Punjab, Khalsa declared their independent rule by striking their own coins. और जो सिख टेरिटरीज थी आप देखेंगे इन लेट सेंचुरी, दे एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम इंदस टू जमुना. उसको हमने इंदस से जमुना तक एक्सटेंड कर लिया, उसको फर्दर डिवाइड करा इन डिफरेंट रूलर. द मेजल कोऑपरेटेड विद वन अदर बट फेल्ड टू यूनाइट अ सिंगल पावर. इट वाज ओनली राजा Maharaja Ranjit Singh, and they united Sikh kingdom. He established capital at Lahore. उन्होंने अपनी कैपिटल कहाँ एस्टैब्लिश करी? लाहौर में. नेक्स्ट इज राजपूत. राजपूत फेल टू ऑर्गेनाइज. Rajput fails to organize themselves into single power. So thus what happened? Even after the decline of Aurangzeb, Rajput could not carve out large empire by themselves. Raja Savai Jai Singh of Amber was made governor of Malwa, and Jai Singh ने अपनी late founded करी new capital that is Jaipur. When Jai Singh of Amber died, तो उनके बाद कौन बने? राजा जसवंत सिंह मेवाड़ के गवर्नर बने. मतलब गवर्नर बने मेवाड़ के थे, और कहाँ के गवर्नर बने थे? दक्कन के. Right? Later, due to rise of Jats and Marathas in the position of Rajputs declined, and famous ruler was Savai Raja Jai Singh, who built city of Jaipur. Jantar Mantar Observatory at Ujjain, Jaipur, Mathura, Delhi, Banaras, they were set up by him, and he fought for women upliftment. और इन्होंने women upliftment के लिए भी क्या करी? लड़ाई करी. Then come Jats. The Jats were the peasants of fertile land on both sides of Yamuna. So during the rule of early Mughals, land revenue was 1/3 of the produce. So gradually what happened? आप देखेंगे कि जो increase हुआ almost half, and they were defeated by the struggle continued, and Jat consolidated their power during later 17th and 18th century. By 1680, they had begun dominating the region between two imperial cities of Delhi and Agra, and the special feature of this movement was peasants fought alongside by the soldiers. राइट आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ औरंगजेब इंडिपेंडेंट जाट किंगडम वाज फाउंडेड और इसकी कैपिटल क्या थी? इट्स कैपिटल वाज भरतपुर. द मोस्ट फेमस जाट किंग वाज सूरजमल. अंडर सूरजमल जो किंगडम था भरतपुर का वो क्या इमर्ज हुआ? एज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो उसका सन था जावेद शाह, उसके पास 30,000 ट्रूप्स थे, 20,000 मराठास थे, 15,000 उसमें सिख थे, जिन्होंने किसके साथ फाइट करी? मुगल्स के साथ. राइट, भरतपुर फोर्ट वाज बिल्ड इन अ ट्रेडिशनल स्टाइल. राइट, द जाट्स वाज प्रॉस्पेरस फार्मर टाउन्स लाइक पानीपत हो गया आपका, बल्लभगढ़ हो गया, द इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेडिंग सेंटर्स थे उस टाइम. नाउ केस स्टडी है शिवाजी. द अदर पावरफुल रीजनल किंगडम्स to arise in this period was Maratha. Maratha put up a sustained resistance against the Mughal. So under the leadership of Shivaji, the Marathas rose to become a major threat to Mughal Empire. So Shivaji was born in 1627 and he was a last of 6 son of Shivaji Bhosle, and he grew with the great soldiers and a strong leader. Shivaji wanted to make a Maratha state powerful. इसको हम गुरिल्ला वारफेयर कहते हैं. The Maratha attacked Seshta Khan in the night and killed him. फिर हम शिवाजी कॉन्क्वेस्ट की बात करते हैं. जून 1764 शिवाजी फॉर्मली डिक्लेयर्ड हिमसेल्फ एज सॉवरन किंग इन अ ceremony at Raigad by himself and the title of Chhatrapati was given. It marked the most important event in the establishment of Maratha state. अगर हम बात करते हैं शिवाजी के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की, शिवाजी was not only a fearless soldier but also successful administrator. Right? So the word comes from Sanskrit, means important eight. The most important 8 ministers were Peshwas or prime minister, Senapati or commander of the army. Right, the main source of revenue of Maratha government was land. As per royal rule, the state share was fixed at 2/5 of the total produce. Right, so आपको जितना भी आप प्रोड्यूस करेगा उसका आपको 2/5 देना ही पड़ेगा. Swaraja under the Maratha Mughal, not directly, 2 kinds of taxes are collected like Chots and Sardeshmukhi. अगर हम मिलिट्री एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात करें, सोल्जर्स जो थे वो वेल ट्रेन्ड थे, हाईली डिसिप्लिन्ड थे. राइट, सक्सेसर कौन था शिवाजी का? दैट इज संभाजी सन ऑफ शिवाजी कंटिन्यूड स्ट्रगल. आफ्टर द डेथ हिज सन साहू कम टू throne and who was also imprisoned. The weak successor of Shivaji could not hold Maratha kingdom for long and the leadership gradually passed into hands of Peshwa. Then we have Peshwas. After the death of Shivaji, his son Sambhaji carried on the battle with the Mughals and he was executed by Aurangzeb. और उनका जो बेटा था दैट इज साहू. औरंगजेब का बेटा कौन था? दैट इज बहादुर शाह. ही वॉज रिलीज एंड द पेशवा बालाजी विश्वनाथ रूल्ड फ्रॉम 1770 to 1720. ये बहुत एफिशिएंट रूलर थे, गुड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर थे. राइट, एंड इट वॉज हेरिडिटरी. So we can say that second Peshwa was Bajirao first and it was determined to take Maratha glory to greater heights. Under him, Maratha took control of Gujarat, raided Bengal and overrun Malwa and Bundelkhand. So towards the south, he defeated Nizam of Hyderabad and got right to collect taxes from some province of the Deccan. इन्होंने क्या करा? Salists को भी क्या करा? कैप्चर करा, बेसिन को भी. And Balaji Bajirao was the next Peshwa after the death of Sahu in 1749. So under Balaji Bajirao, Maratha kingdom raised to its great extent. Both Delhi and Punjab was captured. एक को 1753 में एनेक्स करा था दिल्ली को, और आपकी जो पंजाब थी उसको 1788 में करा था, 58 में. In return, the protection of Maratha were given right to collect Chauth and Sardeshmukhi. आप पंजाब और सिंध से भी आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Right? And what happened? This brought wealth for Maratha. And you can see third battle of Panipat was 1761 when the Marathas started expanding their kingdom. And what happened? They come in conflict with Ahmad Shah Abdali, and Battle of Panipat, Balaji Rao was defeated by invading Afghan army and soon died in shore. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now I will do the exercise. Now take the correct option. First is Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665. Dash shifted his capital to Murshidabad, that is Murshid Quli Khan. The combined forces of Sikh is called Dal Khalsa, and then who has been given the title of Nizamul Mulk, that is Asaf Jahan. Now fill in the blanks. Sikhs formed 12 political groups called Measles. Dash was awarded the title of Nizamul Asaf Jahan. The ruler of Dash, Nadir Shah. Ruler कहाँ थे नादिर शाह? कहाँ के थे? ईरान के. Hyder Ali was an efficient military general. Tipu Sultan tried to refuse a new story of Dash and Dash. मुर्शिद कुली खान वॉज द गवर्नर फ्रॉम बंगाल. कब से कब तक थे? 1717 से 1727. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is Balaji Vishwadrat was the third Peshwa of Maratha. Is false. Nadir Shah invaded Bengal. False. Sadat Khan was made the governor of Ahmed Muhammad Shah. True. Pune became a capital of Maratha. True. Savai Raja Singh was the ruler of Amber. It's true. Small groups of 6 were called Subas. False. Measles kept. Third Battle of Panipat, 1761. Jat Kingdom, Bharatpur. Death of Sahau, 1700. Maratha text. औरंगजेब पे डेथ कब हुई थी? 1750. And Subhaji's step-brother was Raja Rao. Now answer the following. Who was Shivaji? Shivaji कौन थे? And what was the secret of his success? And how did he become Chhatrapati? That you have to tell. How were Sikh organized in 18th century? Who were known as later Mughal? And why could they cannot control shifting of power to their provincial governor? Why did Nawab of Awadh and Bengal try to do away with Jagardari? What were the offices held by Sadat Khan? Describe rise of Maratha. कि कैसे राई हुआ था मराठा का अंडर शिवाजी. And then you have to who was Sadat Khan and who was Shivaji. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.